Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can remove Samsung account without password. So for that you need to open up your settings, and after opening up your settings you need to click on accounts and backup. Just find it up. As I'm using MI phone, so I don't have it on it. So you just have to find the accounts and backup option, then click on it, and then you will be able to find this option of manage accounts. Just open it up, and then you will be able to find this option of email. Just click on it and then click remove account, but it will be requiring your password, and since we don't have the password, so we will just go to Play Store, and after opening up Play Store we will search for quick shortcut maker. Just open it up and install this app, and after installing it up just open this app, and in the option of input keyword to filter, just click on it and search for Samsung account. Then a list of Samsung accounts will appear. Then you have to find the option where Samsung account is accompanied by the option of sign out right beside it. After that just click on this option of Samsung account with sign out and click on app info, and in the app info section just click on the three lines on the top right section. Click on uninstall updates. Make sure that you have backed up your data, as your data might get lost during this process. So after uninstalling updates your phone will restart and you will be able to log in without the password, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.